Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look at this brand new 2024 Coachmen Catalina 29 THS toy hauler travel trailer. This is a one slide out toy hauler. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this RV, kind of show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 Catalina 29 THS travel trailer here. As you see it on the floor plan that was up, this is a one slide out toy hauler travel trailer. We're gonna actually start back here in the back and then we'll work our way forward for you. So going back here into the garage area here, you have an entry exit door over there with the screen door. There is a vent up there. And then there is also electric and cable outlet here in case you wanted to mount a TV over here. It's all vinyl floor back here in this section. You have quite a few D-rings in your floor. These two sofas will fold up against the wall so they're out of the way when you bring in your toy. This one was ordered with two ACs, so you have a drop-in AC back here. Now it also has the main AC ducted back here as well. So if you don't do the second AC, you do still have some air that comes back here. There's a speaker back here in this area as well. You have some overhead cabinet space, and then you have a window on each side, and they have the little blackout snap-on covers there. Now it also has this little drop down screen wall, they call it. And you can see on the one side here, I have the flapper rolled up so you can kind of see in and out. It's got a zipper in the middle as well. Now you can roll the whole wall up when you're bringing in your toys, or if you just don't want it in your way there. And you step out here onto the back porch. We have it in porch mode at the moment. You have a couple little blue lights out here, and then also prepping for the rear observation camera by Furrion as well. Now you can get some steps if you really want and go off the back here. There is a gate right here. Kind of your choice. They don't offer the steps, unfortunately, from the RV manufacturer. Now, while we're standing here, just kind of look up top there. You can kind of see your roof. There's an AC up there. Some plumbing stack vents, things like that up there that you do have to get up there from time to time and check out, maintain your seams and seals. But nice little garage. I'll put the kind of specs of the RV and stuff down in the description for you guys that are actually seriously looking for something like this. You do have a glass entry exit door here as well to kind of block off this area. Now just outside the garage right here, we're going to have the bathroom. So let's get spun around here and check out the bathroom area for you. All right, so up top here is a little vent fan. There's a skylight up above, ABS tub surround there, basically a step-in shower. You do have a foot flush toilet. There's an AC duct in here and a heat duct in here. May not sound like a lot, but that's honestly kind of important. Some of these RVs in the summertime don't have AC ducts in this area, and you come in here to use the bathroom and it's like taking a shower in an oven or using the restroom in an oven, and that's never a fun thing. So a pretty decent sized bathroom for a smaller trailer like this. Then we're back into the kind of kitchen slash living room, dining room area here. So there is the GE 12-volt refrigerator. We have the GE oven and stovetop, GE microwave, and we also have the GE hood range light fan and GE air conditioner. So you kind of get the habit here, the point here. They are using a lot of GE appliances in the Coachmen product. Now this refrigerator, again, 12-volt fridge. Pretty nice fridge here. It's about, it's close to 11 cubic feet. I think it's like 10.7 is what they technically call it. There is a cold adjuster button right there. There's also a kill switch right here, which is kind of nice. If you're trying to use the RV but don't necessarily want the fridge going, if you're just kind of loading things or whatever, you can kill that so it's not killing your battery. You do have electric box, heat duct down there. Again, GE appliance package. There is some USB charger ports over there, high-rise sprayer faucet. This has slide button, awning button, some interior, exterior lights, water pump, water heater on gas button, electric buttons outside, Bluetooth connectivity, which is pretty cool. There's an app you can download and kind of control some of the RV. I'm pretty sure it even controls that fancy auto level system this one has on it. Cabinet wise, got a decent amount of storage up here. Now over here, you're going to have your slide system. We'll show you that closed here in just a little bit. But you do have a U-shaped dinette that will make into a bed. So you could sleep somebody back here if you wanted. You could also sleep somebody back there on the sofas in the garage if you really wanted to. There's storage underneath that U-shaped section as well. Windows, nice big windows there. Pull down night shades in that section. Then you have some metal mini blinds in the bedroom and the kitchen area. Electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. JBL stereo. You have some indoor speakers and outdoor speakers that they're using. There is obviously some TV hookups up here. So you could mount your TV here, hopefully a nice little swing arm so it'll rotate around a little better for viewing. You do have, you know, electric outlet, cable and satellite outlets, and HDMI already coming up from the radio, and it is prepped for the RV link connectivity that you can do afterwards for internet service if you want. Bed-wise, you are basically stepping into your bedroom from each side. There's electric outlet, USB charger port on each side. There is TV hookups over there, so you could maybe mount your small TV in here as well. Overhead cabinetry does go across the whole front area here. Hanging closet. Then obviously some space down there to set your drinks or phone or whatever. And the bed does raise up, so there is some storage underneath it here as well. All right, we're gonna head outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new Catalina 29 THS toy hauler here. Starting on the door side of the RV, we have an aluminum exterior, wood studded constructed RV. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff, manual override in the front arm head. Now that LED light strip up there is a multi-color changing LED light strip, so you can kind of play around with that once you got it. You have deep tint safety glass windows, and then you have frosted windows on your entry exit doors. There is a decent size storage compartment area right here. There is a little table that is in that little box that goes inside. And then this was ordered with the solar package, so there is a 30 amp Go Power charge controller there for the solar panel that's on it. You have the upgraded MoreRide heavy-duty entry exit steps and the large MoreRide handle here on your main entry door. Furnace exhaust out here. You have electric outlet and cable outlet here in case you want to do a TV out here. There is a black tank flush right there to clean out the toilet system. You also have stove exhaust vent up there and two JBL speakers out here. They do aluminum wheels, which is kind of rare on travel trailers. Usually trailers get steel, cheaper wheels. But you do have aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs, drum brakes. And then they do kind of a little metal fender skirt there instead of the plastic stuff. Now this one was ordered with the auto level jack system. This is a feature they started offering for a limited time, so not all of them will have that. But you have 2 auto level jacks on the back, plus the power tongue jack that is an auto level jack. And then you'll have 2 stabilizer jacks in the front. You'll see that when we get back around to there. Back here in your garage entry exit door, you're gonna have that heavy duty mower ride step here as well. And then right up there is a vent that you can open up. You have the little pet-friendly leash latch holder there, and you also have a gas line hookup down here as well. Now, kind of looking at things down here from the ground, you can kind of see this a little bit better, but there is a little entry exit gate in the back middle here. You can buy some steps aftermarket. It doesn't come with them, unfortunately. But you can get some steps aftermarket that come off the back and allow you to kind of walk in and out of the back if you wanted to. Again, a couple little blue lights up there, and also prepped for that rear Furrion observation camera. Nice safety feature to consider adding to the RV. Another little vent fan right here, or vent, not fan, an actual vent. That is, again, dump hose holder down below there. Detachable 50 amp power cord here. Your gray and black dump handles right here. Slide out comes out. It is an electric slide. You'll see that. We'll close it up here shortly. But basically push a button, it goes in and out, so it's 12 volt powered. As long as you got a good battery, you should be able to run that in and out. And then also right there is your cable inlet. If you go to some place that happens to have cable or satellite, you could hook up to their system. You can kind of see the TV antenna right up there. Hot and cold outside utility shower here. Now you can hang it right here. You have city water inlet, gravity fill fresh water tank, your 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. The electric switch to override is right here. Make sure there's water in this thing before you turn this on. You will burn up the heating element if you don't. 1/16" drain plug, little reset button, and then you also have your pressure relief valve here as well. Very important informational stickers right here. First one right here, production date sticker, telling us the RV was built 11/9 of 23. It has, again, model number 29 THS. Gross vehicle weight, 9,800 pounds. It's the most they want you to load it up to. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Says here we have 2 5,100 pound axles. Tire size also on this sticker, but you have an actual tire sticker right here. ST 225 75 R15 E-range tires with an 80 PSI cold. Keep up with that, very important. Exterior length 35 feet 8 inches. Dry weight of this one was 7,384 pounds. And again, gross weight 9,800. You can see here it does have kind of a nice rounded, bubbled out front, trying to make it a little bit more aerodynamic. Hard to do with a lot of vehicles though. You have auto level jack controls right here. Come in here, you have some instructions on there as well. Hit your auto mode, auto level, click OK, kind of does its thing. You can auto reconnect. You can go in and manually do things. So you can kind of do quite a bit of stuff. Now, sometimes these things get a little out of kilter and you have to come in and reprogram them. There is a code to do that. Talk with your service person, your service tech, whatever, and they'll kind of help go over that. There's also some videos you can occasionally find on YouTube that really go into detail and explaining that stuff as well. Big foot pads, by the way, on your front and rear jack. And then those are also adjustable. You can kind of see one of the holes down there, but there's usually a few different holes in there so you can help with some extra length if needed. And you got heavy duty safety chains, 2 5/16 hitch ball, breakaway cable, battery disconnect, and room for your battery. Right down here is kind of a little toy lock, they refer to it as. It's a steel cable thing here that you can maybe tie up some bikes or something and kind of chain them to the RV. All right, let's step back inside real quick, close her up, show you what it looks like closed. All right, we are back up inside the brand new 2024 Catalina 29 toy hauler here. And I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like all closed up. So when you are ready to close things up, you do have to come back here to your control panel right here. Got slide in, slide out. Pretty self-explanatory, right? This is a 12-volt slide system, worm gear system, so you'll hear it kind of ratchety, clanky noise when it comes all the way in and also when it's all the way out. Now the floor is very important to be clean when you run this thing in and out, because it will run over what's ever in the floor and possibly damage your linoleum if you're not careful. So make sure there's no rocks or anything like that that might have popped off your shoe tread and got into the floor. But basically, come straight in. There's our little noise. We know to let off of that button. So when it's closed up, I can come in here, still get to my bedroom from one side at least. So if I'm stopping at a rest area, I could come in here, take a nap. I could come in here and load my refrigerator if I needed to from like a grocery store or something, stopping along the way. I could come in, I could maybe even cook myself a little something. I could wash my hands if I needed to. The one thing I can't do is get back to the bathroom from here. So I would have to leave the RV, go through the back door, and come into the bathroom area. So it does come in very close right here. So unless you're trying to climb over this little section, which does not look fun, you're not getting back there without going outside. Now you hit the button and basically take it right on back out. Again, quick and easy. As long as you got a good battery, hopefully everything works perfectly fine for you. Now, be sure to check out the folks at Coachmen RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested in saving some money. And as always, if you don't mind helping out my channel here, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.